Merry Christmas. Oh, as you can see, Santa Claus is not afraid of a little fire. Santa Claus isn't afraid of COVID either. Yes, Santa Claus is coming to your house if you're a good little boy or girl. Are you a good little boy or girl? I've been going through my Santa Claus list, and I see here Mama Rinda, naughty, 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 naughty. Iron Dog 63, good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, Ollie Oakley. Well, that's still on out. That's questionable. We haven't decided on that one yet. Matt Nixon, nice. I got paid to say that. Now there's let's see here. Who else do we got on our list here? Oh, Stray, naughty boy, naughty boy. No, sir, naughty boy. Miss Rosanna, very nice. Oh, yes, very nice. As you can see here, I have my list. I'm checking it twice. I'm going to find out who's naughty or nice. 'Cause I'm coming to town to hunt you down. Merry Christmas! Oh, Merry Christmas!